Yeah, you're welcome to this channel. Um, I believe you all had a wonderful trading week throughout last week. And this week, I'll be very, very brief. As we always do on this channel, to speak on what we're expecting to happen this coming week so that you be very careful while trading um, and you will trade effectively. Like I said, this is a weekly forecast and you take it serious and you use it effectively, you will gain more from the market. Last week, from Monday to Wednesday was very okay. On Thursday, we had a little reversal. Then on Friday, we had a little sell-off. Okay, so for this week, from Monday, which is October 2nd, what we have here is that the market will be very fine for those who are living in Europe region. Okay, um, that is to say that in the London session, we should not have any much problem for those who are in European Union session. Um, European Union continents, I so to speak. If you are in Canada, if you are trading anything related to Canadian pair, I will advise that you stay out of the market because the markets will not move effectively because of their bank holiday. Okay, the same thing happens in New York session. Um, if you are in Canada, due to the bank holiday, to happen all day throughout the London, New York, Tokyo, and any other session that you are trading from. So the same happens to China. They also have a bank holiday, meaning that the volatility will be very small. Okay, the movement will be very, very less. Anything outside this will be very, very okay. By 4 o'clock, we have a news release that is very okay. By 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. GMT plus one. This news release most times has capability of moving in a certain direction. Also, sometimes it can consolidate. So you should be careful trading this news. Okay. Then by 5 o'clock, we also have another news release, meaning that as from 4 o'clock, the market will be having a bunch of movements, very large one. Okay. So 4 and 5, we should be expecting more movements. Okay. And the market will now slow down as from 7 p.m. Without wasting much of time on Monday. That's all we have on Monday. Japanese, the Asian region, apart from China. Okay, we have a bank holiday, but I advise that even in Japanese USD or USD JPY, anything related to Japanese pair will not move as much as we expect on Monday. Okay, so that's all for Monday. Then on Tuesday, um, the bank holiday continues all day in China. Okay, anything China related pair, if you are trading them, just know that you have a bank holiday, so you're expected to be careful on Tuesday or stay out of the markets. Same thing happens to those who are in European continent who are trading their pairs, something like GBP USD, Euro USD, and the likes. Okay, you are going to have an holiday as well that will going to affect you on Tuesday. So the market may not move very, very well. As such, it might consolidate at some points and move a little bit at some point. But that will happen around evening session, which is New York session. You have a little movement. Okay. So for those people who are in Australian continent, the market will be very okay for you. The market will be very okay, especially the London session. Then in New York session towards 4 o'clock time, market will also give out more movement. Okay, Then on Wednesday, that's all for Tuesday. Then for Wednesday, China continued to be in public holiday. Okay, why we not have any other country that is on public holiday? The markets will move very very well in the London session. In Australia, the market also will move very, very early. To move very drastic early in the morning around 3 o'clock. For those who are trading Australia continent pair, something like New Zealand dollar, something like AUD, USD, and the likes. So then for those who are in European session, the same thing with other continents. If I mean session, I mean continent. Okay, so we are going to have what we call non-farm payroll, which is going to occur by 2:15 p.m. Is a very serious news release, which will determine what is going to happen to the rest of the evening. So I may advise you to be careful at this hour, starting from 2 o'clock. Be careful with the market till evening time for New York session. But in London session, you have nothing to worry about. You should be able to take your trade. That's all for Wednesday. Then on Thursday, China continue in his weekly bank holiday. Why people from who are trading pairs that has to do with Europe continent, we have a very nice trade in the morning session, that is in the London session. Then in the New York session, they will have what we call unemployment change. Okay, it's a major news by 2:30. So whenever you are trading, when you get to these points, we expect you to close your trade. For those who are trading news, you have a very good news dropping at this hour. Ask you to re-strategize and then queue into the market if actually you want to trade news. So after which there will be a little 50% retracement back to the area that we started before. That is going to happen immediately after the news release. Okay, that's all for Thursday. Then on Friday, China, as we speak, we continue with their bank holiday. While Australian continent, we have a very nice trade. Canadian continent, also, Canadian parts, we also have a very nice trade. Those in European continent we also have a very nice trade on Friday. And in the New York session, that is London session, but in the New York session, you are advised to leave the market. It's just a financial, it's not a financial advice. If you can trade it, but you cannot, please leave the market. Okay, that is the a buy off or sell off will happen, and it will be very very massive. Okay, so massive in the sense that there will be a consolidation that will take off a lot of people out of the market, both who are going up and both who are going down. It's going to be very, very massive. So that is all we have. So in summary, I believe that London session, especially on Wednesday, yes, is fine. Then on Thursday is fine. Then on Friday is fine. So Monday, Tuesday will be somehow in the market, with the exception of China. So and also Canadian. So that's just all we have for you. As we wish you a good trading week ahead of time. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.